Ayan, so good morning everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas episode 1 and today is our, sorry medyo maingay, today is our monito and monita dito sa office. And ang category namin is long and hard. Ang only wini-wish ko is sana hindi ko makuha yung safeguard. Pero ayun, naglalakad lang ako going to work. Medyo malapit na dun ako. So yeah, see you. Uy!
Pangalan yung edad, taga saan, pati yung talent.
Kamot sa ulo.
Pagkalipas ng una kang nakilala at tanda pa noong mata kaya maibig mo ako. Bigla na lang nagkasaloning. Kakanta na lang po. Uso yung hindi ko.
Nagsiselos yung isang kriser.
Okay.
Maliwanag ba yan? Yes, sir. We don't know kung ano yung mga laman nito. Kung ano yung nabunot nyo, let's say brush, i-perform nyo kung paano siya gagamitin.
May patwist. Yan.
Sure na, sure na?
Tas hindi sabon. Sandok. Kay Giselle to.
Sandok ngayon siya doon.
17.
Sabon.
Ayan, 17.
Parang galing admin.
Pwede. Nabatalan na ano.
Asan yung may-ari neto?
Gusto yung balot ko.
Ang ano yan? Ulo.
Mabalot yan.
Chocolate.
Long and hard ba yan, Marian? Ano man?
Pang-gin na pang-gin.
Oh, halo na kay Kim.
May lighter po kayo dyan. Magsisindi na.
Joey, bantayan mo to si Otto, ha? Sige. Sampinin kay Chris, oh. Right there. Bantayan nyo rin to, Joey. Tupper.
Ay,
Wait lang, may picture lang naman. Wow! Panyo.
parang ano tikpa?
Long and soft ba yan? Ay, Koji.
Mukhang monumento ni Rizal. Alam na! O, diba baradong CR dyan, o?
Sa wakas, sa next one.
Sakto ah! Pero ang gawin pintuan?
Pamilyar na pambalot na.
Pangampas sa security to.
Go!
As the holidays roll in, the theme comes alive with the fun Monito and Monita gift exchanges. Everyone draws a name and the mystery begins. While the gifts are great, it is the thought behind them that really counts. It is about showing you care, making someone's day, and sharing a moment of joy. In the end, Monito and Monita isn't just about the presents. It is about the connections we make and the memories we create together. Happy holidays, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on my next one. Bye!